How to log into Blooket account? Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here you'll find the search box. Type in blooket.com and search for it. With that you will be directed to the official website of Blooket. Now over here you'll find the option of login or sign up. In order to log into your account, click on this option. You will land to the login page. With that you will land to the login page. In order to log into your account, with that you will land to the login page. Now I can easily type in the credentials of the Blooket account to log in. So go ahead and type in your username and then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option to recover it. If you haven't created your account yet, you can go ahead and click on this option of sign up and create your Blooket account. Once you fill this, click on let's go, and with that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into your Blooket account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.